The forest owlet is a fascinating little bird, and it's not just any owl, it's an endangered species that calls central India its home. This small, stocky owl is easily recognizable by its pale face and striking bright yellow eyes. What's truly remarkable about the forest owlet is its diurnal nature. It's active during the day, which is quite unusual for owls. The story of the forest owlet begins back in 1872 when Alan Octavian Hume discovered it and named it Heteroglobe bluitii. However, by 1884, it had seemingly vanished from the scientific records, leading many to presume it was extinct. It wasn't until 1997 that Dr. Pamela Rasmussen and her team rediscovered this elusive bird in the Satpura ranges of Maharashtra. Interestingly, the forest owlet's classification has changed over the years. Initially placed in its own genus, DNA analysis later revealed that it actually belongs to the genus Athene, aligning it with the spotted owlet. This twist in its taxonomy was partly due to some early specimens being misrepresented, thanks to the fraudulent practices of collector Richard Meinertzhagen. His misleading locality data delayed the owl's rediscovery for decades. When it comes to vocalizations, the forest owlet has a distinctive call. It produces a rapid hoo-hoo-hoo or ko-ko-ko sound, often repeated in quick succession. You'll typically hear these calls during the early morning or late afternoon, especially during the breeding season. These vocalizations serve multiple purposes. They help the owlet communicate with its mate, defend its territory, and locate its chicks. Speaking of breeding, the forest owlet's breeding season runs from November to February. It prefers nesting in tree cavities, often those created by woodpeckers or barbets. The female usually lays 2 to 3 white, round eggs. After about 4 to 5 weeks, the chicks fledge, but they remain vulnerable to predators like snakes during this critical development stage. And a carnivore, feasting on insects, frogs, rodents, and even small birds. Despite its tiny geographic range, confined to central India, the forest owlet has adapted well. Its unique feather structures allow for silent flight, making it an efficient hunter. During the breeding season, male forest owlets are fiercely protective of their nesting areas, showcasing their dedication as parents. However, they are sensitive to environmental changes. Even small forest fires can destroy crucial nesting trees. Interestingly, this owl has become a star in wildlife studies, often captured on remote cameras set up to monitor its behavior. The forest owlet is not just a bird, It's a symbol of the delicate balance of nature and the urgent need for conservation efforts. Understanding and protecting this species is vital, not just for its survival, but for the health of the ecosystem it inhabits.